everybody, it's your girl Kim, and I'm back again with another haul. Yeah. Thank you for coming back, and also welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Truly, truly, truly appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments. Let me know what have you been buying lately in Bath and Body Works. I know they had a really good sale this week with the hand sanitizers. So yeah, leave in the comments, let me know, did you buy anything from that sale, the dollar hand sanitizer sale? I passed on that sale. So yeah, also I want to give a big old shout out to the people who watch all of my videos, no matter what your girl put out, vlogs, hauls, walkthroughs, reviews, post burns, whatever I put out, you're watching. Shout out to you, because you are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. Thank you for always supporting me. I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But let's get into this haul. Let's get into the haul. Get into the haul. Get into the haul. It took forever for me to get my packages, or I might just be anxious, just, you know, can't wait to get my stuff. But yeah, let's get into this. Let's get into this. Let's get into this. I'm not sure why they shipped this one by itself, and I cannot find my box cutter. I don't know where it's at. You know what, it might be downstairs. No, why would it be downstairs? I cannot find my box cutter, so of course I got the kitchen shears. The kitchen shears do just as good. First box open. Again, my receipt. I don't know why they shipped this by itself. I'm not sure, but again, I'm gonna shake my candle. They still sending this out. No coupon, just the advertisement. And this is white pumpkin oak wood. This candle is amazing. And it came in this sealed box, so with the sealed box you have to rip them open. I prefer the other boxes, to be honest, but yes, this candle is so good. Oh my goodness, amazing candle. White pumpkin oak wood. The scent notes is pumpkin, sandalwood, spiced pear. Amazing, amazing candle. I am really enjoying this candle. If you know you like the white pumpkin candle, and if you know you love sandalwood, you'll really enjoy this candle. I really like it. I really like it, even though I gotta return one of mine, because on the $12.95 sale I didn't want to use my coupon, so I did buy one inside the store, and I said when I got my other order I would just return one, because I have burned the candle. So I'm just going to return one of them. So yeah. Okay. Like I said, only one item came in this box. Okay, I see why they did it like that. Because as you see, there's 6 candles in the box. Instead of putting it in a bigger box, they just decided to just ship one by itself, which is kind of crazy to me, but whatever. Okay, the first one is bourbon maple candle. Amazing. I already own this candle in the single wick. Oh my goodness, this candle is so good, so good. So I had to get it in the 3 wick because I really enjoy it. This is what it looks like. I love these packaging. Love this packaging. So pretty. Bourbon maple. Look at the packaging. I love these neutral color. This neutral color packaging is so nice to me. So nice. Bourbon, amber, and maple wood. That's the scent notes. Bourbon, amber, and maple wood. Sugared amber if, but yeah. This is good. It smells almost like syrup to me. This is good. This is good. I really enjoyed this candle. Hopefully everybody done got their hands on the single wick, because I know for a minute everybody was running for that single wick candle. We didn't, well, at least I didn't even know that they were going to come out with a 3 wick. So when I seen it, I said I have to get it. Toasted vanilla chai. I actually already own this candle, but I don't own it in this packaging. The packaging I have is pink, and actually when I received that candle, they sent me the wrong stuff. So yeah, that's how I got it. Because yeah, packaging is so cute. I love this gold. So nice. And if y'all didn't know, these candles retail for the $25.50, the new price point. Look at that. So nice. This is so pretty. I'm really enjoying this collection. I just love these neutral colors with the gold and the gray. I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. Chai, vanilla bean, and marshmallows. That's the scent notes. This is good. But I really get a lot of that marshmallow. Smell a lot of the marshmallow and the chai. Yeah. But what I do know about this candle from my other one, the other one didn't really throw good. It was kind of light. It was nice because I liked it. I liked smelling it in the background. So that part was good. But if you like a strong candle, from my experience, it ain't this one. This one burns like any typical vanilla scented candle. And you got to remember, this has vanilla and marshmallow. So it's going to be heavy on the vanilla if you ask me. But I'm just saying, I'm not an expert. I'm just saying, in my experience with candles that have marshmallow as well as vanilla, they don't really throw good. They really don't. But I do smell all of the notes in this candle. I get the chai. I get that creamy vanilla as well. Yeah, I like it. It's another white oak sandalwood. Super nice. This is another maple, the bourbon maple candle. We always got to check them because they could be broke. Y'all already know I be getting broke candles. This one most definitely is loose because it's kind of shaking in the jar. We still shouldn't be having these issues, but I'm just saying. No fishy lids. So yeah, that one is good. This one is another, oh yeah, the white caramel ice brew. Cold brew. And this packaging is just kind of plain. It's just kind of plain to me. It's just very simple. It's nice, but it's just very basic to me. But I like it, but not as much as the other ones. I used to own this candle some years ago, but it's gone. So I was happy to see that they returned this candle, because this candle is actually a powerhouse. Well, at least the one that I used to own. Hopefully this one throws just like the old one, the previous version of it. But the scent notes in this one is cold brew coffee, vanilla sweet cream, and caramel. And you do get that caramel smell. To me, this one don't really come off like a coffee candle at all to me. It comes off as like a very creamy candle. More of that vanilla, like a strong vanilla candle. I don't really get a lot of coffee. Well, from my experience, I never got a lot of coffee from this one. As I was saying, the battery is almost dead. First it was the storage, now it's going to be the battery. Goodness gracious. White caramel cold brew is amazing. If you're the type of person and you really don't like coffee scented candles, this is a safe one. You could get your coffee candle, but it's more like a latte, or it's more like a vanilla scented candle. That's why I don't understand why they call this cold brew. because it don't really have a lot of coffee in it. So if you kind of sort of like coffee candles, but you don't like those strong coffee candles like Paris Cafe, those candles like that smells like coffee, if you're the type that you don't like those type but you kind of want a coffee candle, this is a safe one, because this one smells almost like a latte or something. Like I said, it's heavy on the vanilla and it's heavy on the caramel. The cold brew or the coffee note, it kind of plays in the back, and that's just my opinion. But I really like it. Like I said, I used to own one of these candles, and from what I remember, this was a powerhouse. This candle really throws good. Hopefully they didn't change up the formula, and hopefully it still will do the same thing that the previous version did. Hopefully, we shall see what it do. And the last candle is Chestnut and Clove. I didn't even shake it to make sure one broke. Chestnut and Clove. I actually like this packaging. It has like that marble up top, and this is more like texture. I guess it's supposed to give you that, like that brushed wood or something, and the marble look up at the top. This is actually really kind of cute. And again, all of these candles is at the $25.50 price point. Yes, and they all have cream colored wax. I was kind of on the fence about this one. This isn't a candle that you actually have to rush and get. And I forgot to mention too, all of these candles is, well, most of them is online exclusives, I think, except, yeah, most of them is online exclusives. But yeah, Chestnut and Clove. Chestnut and Clove is chestnut and clove and cedarwood. Chestnut, clove, cedarwood. Yeah, this is one I probably could have waited on. I probably could have waited to get this one because it's really nothing special. Yeah, it's nothing special, and I think I have this candle already. I'm not 100% sure. And then with the $12.95 price point plus another 20% off, I decided to just go ahead and grab it. I really should have grabbed more candles, but I didn't. I just only grabbed these 7. I really should have got way more, because no telling when we're gonna get a $10 price point again. The closest we might get to a sale like this is Candle Day. So this was almost like a summer candle day. So hopefully, fingers crossed, that they will do another sale. I'm hoping. But before Candle Day, I'm fingers crossed that they will do another sale like this. But I really don't think they are. I really don't. I think, you know, this was the sale. The next big nice sale will be Candle Day. You know, I think we're going to get another probably buy two get two. And I bet you it's going to be once our coupons expire. And then we're going to get a really good sale. But until then, I think it's going to be Candle Day. It's going to be the best sale that we get. So, yeah. But I could have passed on this one. I could have waited on this one, because this is just, yeah, this is just okay. Yeah, this is just okay for me. Roasted chestnut, fresh ground clove, and cedarwood. Yeah, I could have waited. I might exchange this one for the old-fashioned cider donut. I might change it for that one and just wait. Yeah, that's probably what I do. Yeah, this ain't special. I'm just saying. And it might do better when I burn it. I don't know, but I'm not even gonna burn it. I'm just gonna exchange it out for a candle that I really want. And that new donut candle, I really want it. So this one will be going back. Even though I do like the packaging, but I can see this candle being around for a while. So. And that's it. So let me know in the comments, what are the candles that you got on the $12.95 sale. Let me know that in the comments. Also, let me know if you participated in that $1 hand sanitizer sale. I didn't, because I got so many pocket bags. I don't need no more. So that's the reason why I skipped on that sale. So yeah, leave in the comments. Let me know if y'all got anything. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow your girl on Instagram, please. Also, thumbs up the video, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next one. The next one. The next one. All right, peace.